Hi, it's John from Avery. Today we're going to take a look at how to create name badges for an event. I'm going to click the Avery wizard icon from Microsoft Word. See the launch screen here. Use only Avery brand products for guaranteed results. I'm going to click Next. As you can see, there's a large variety of products to choose from. You can always narrow down your choices to the product you want to work on. In this case, those are name badges. So I can click on name badges and get a much shorter list. Or, if I don't want to take the time to search through that list, I could even type in the product number, which I have in front of me. It's 5384 for a name badge. Search, and there it is, clip style name badges. It's a 3x4 product. I'm going to click Next, and I have a selection of simple designs to choose from. I can start with a blank, but in this case I'm going to start with a little graphic on the right hand side and some type on the left side. Click Next. Now we have 4 choices for how to get data onto these name badges. In the top choice we have create a sheet of identical layouts. Not likely that you're going to want a sheet full of the same name on the name badge. Maybe you want a sheet with different names for a small event. In this case though, we're going to actually merge data from an existing data file because we have a larger event we're planning. Maybe you have 50 names or more. You don't want to type those in manually. Wizard can also help you create a database for this use as well as for future use. But again, today we're going to use merge data from an existing data file. I'm clicking Next. Here's some recent choices I've made for databases, but I'm going to browse and confirm that I've got the right one in my mailings folder. Mailing list main, open. So that's selected. I'm going to hit Next. Databases have a number of tables sometimes. Mine only has one, so I don't have to make a choice. It's already chosen for me. Now we're in the design screen for Wizard, and you can see the graphic there on the right hand side and some placeholder text on the left hand side. I'm going to get rid of this placeholder text, and I'm going to take a look on the right hand side here at the field names that are being accessed from my database. With this name badge project, what I want is first name of the person on one row by itself. So I'm adding that with the add field to layout. The selections click down automatically to last name. What I'm going to do though is return, and I'm going to add that field underneath the first name. Now I'm pretty much done with the mail merge now. I'm going to make last name a little bit smaller. I'm going to make first name a little bit larger. And I'm going to hit return after last name a couple times. And I'm going to add the event name. Now, of course, your event's going to have a real name, so that's what you want to enter there. I'm going to hit return again, and I'm going to add the event date and location. Now, this is static information. It won't change from badge to badge the way the names will. Now, if you want to preview what your database is actually going to produce for you on these name badges, you can click the database toggle and actually view the records that are being drawn in from the database. This is the first record, Eric Greenwood. So I can click through and see other names from that database. We're pretty much ready to go now, so I'm going to hit Next. You can see a print preview screen. What we're going to do is preview these cards. What's nice about the print preview is if you do see a problem, if you see a name that is too long for the line, you can come back by closing the preview and hitting back and making your edits. In this case, we're happy with the badges though, so I'm going to click Finish. Now we have a number of sheets of name badges, and we're done.